I have today a box from Sweet4Fuel. For those of you who've been following or subscribed to my channel for a long time, you guys know Sweet4Fuel is my ultimate all-time favorite. Unfortunately, recently, well, fortunately for her, but she's been doing a bunch of wholesale orders, so there hasn't been a lot on her site, so I haven't been able to get anything. But anyway, this is what the package always looks like on the inside. Got the pretty little lips on there. And so we will unseal and see what's inside. So excited to have my grubby little paws on my favorite bath bombs. I honestly missed her so much. The first thing that we have is a shimmery card. And on the back of that is a thank you, but it's super shimmery. Gives you all of her locations: Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. In the back, it's just a quick thank you note for purchasing from her shop. I believe I am part of her influencer team now. And even on the invoice, I would show it to you, but it has all my private information on there, and you don't need to see that. But she's written little comments in there in a shimmery pink pen. Really cute. All right, so what do we have in here? All right, the first thing we have is blowing smoke. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Sweet4Fuel, she was the first person that I saw that made bath bomb dust with little shaped bath bombs inside the bath bomb dust. I've seen a bunch of people do it now, but she was the very first, and you know I've been around for a long time, and I've seen a lot of companies and a lot of products, and I'm not sure if this one has it. It has them in there, but usually it's like little shape. I don't even feel any in here. Usually they're like watermelon shapes or whatever is relevant to the name of the bath bomb dust she usually puts in there. This is scented in smoke, fir needle, orange, clove, cinnamon, patchouli, vanilla, and raspberry. Just so you know, one of the reasons I love her products the most is because first of all, continuous foam the moment it hits the water. Continuous foam. Like no farty bubbles, none of that. The colors are always vibrant and beautiful, but the scents are always something that I love. So I mean, of course, if she makes something that's like a waffle, I usually try not to get those because I'm not into that type of scent. But the ones that I do purchase, the scents are different than anyone else's, and I just love them. So anyway, so that's the first one. Here, I had this one last year, and I loved it. This is called Ice Cream. And it is scented in fresh fruit, warm vanilla, caramelized sugar, and sweet honey. And it does smell freaking amazing. I will demo it again this year because I think it's been a year since I did the last demo for that particular product. I think it's been the last demo I did for her. I don't know. No, there were some Christmas items. And then there was corn fed. And I honestly, look, I don't like hot butter popcorn scented bath bombs. I really don't. But it was so cute, and it was on sale. So she had a sale, and this was really cheap. It was like $4 and something. So even though I don't like hot buttered popcorn or to come out smelling like popcorn, who wants to come out the tub smelling corny? This was just too cute to pass up. And the price. Come on. I mean, your body's feeling soft and smooth for $4. This is another one that I got, and it's a bakery scent. Yes, I know this is hot pumpkin, but it's the mix of her scents. So she has nutmeg, cinnamon, pumpkin, clove, tonka bean, and baked crust. I believe she had this one last year too, and if it's not the same one, I may not like the scent. But if it's the same one she had last year as far as scent profile goes, I liked it. And then I like the colors that are embedded in here. And I can actually see it. Hers are not necessarily like embeds, but sort of mixed in to the bath bomb, as you can see. But look at the shimmer on that. Let me get up close. Look at that freaking golden deliciousness. I think I just have one more. Make sure, because sometimes she puts a few things at the bottom, and then, oh no, I have two more. Nope. A sample. See what else is in here. All right, because one time I believe after she saw my years ago, because I've been purchasing her from her for years, but years ago after she saw my box, and she says, "You do know there was something else in that box." Luckily, I had not thrown the box away. All right, so the next one that we have is another spooky one. It's called Boo Baby. And again, as you can see, not embeds, but sort of mixed in with her bath bomb are the colors. So it's continuous foam, continuous color. The shimmer is more like, unless she's changed the recipe, it's more like glitter versus shimmer, which is super nice because everybody has shimmer nowadays. Not that I don't love shimmer. Trust me, I love the shimmer. But she likes glitter versus shimmer. The last I spoke with her, that was her thing. This one is warm vanilla cake, candied lemon zest, and fresh blueberries. And I will say that usually around this season I purchase, even though I love Halloween, and as you can see and can tell, it's my favorite, but this time of the year all the scents turn to bakery scents. You know, of course, pumpkin, apple. I don't mind apple, and I don't mind pumpkin. I just don't like pumpkin pecan waffle. But so we have pumpkin, we have apple, we have candy corn, Skittles, and then in Christmas, all the Christmas scents come out, and they're always majority bakery scents as well. And I know that's just tis the season. So I end up buying less than I want during those times, even though the shapes are amazing. Only because I don't want to smell like a pumpkin pecan waffle. I don't want to smell like Skittles. I don't want to smell like candy corn, or I don't want to smell like those things. I mean, and that's my personal preference. All right. So the next thing was another one that had been on sale. I believe it had been on sale prior to this last Labor Day sale she had. So it may have been the same price prior to the Labor Day sale, but I think this was another $4 one. This is just floating around. I guess it's the end of her summer stuff getting pushed out. And this is scented in neroli, bergamot, or bergamot. I've heard it said different ways. Mandarin orange, raw sugar cane, lime, and vanilla. This smells delicious. I love fruit scents. All right, and then the last thing that I have. Oh, by the way, don't mind me and my creepy stuff today. I had to match my shirt to my necklace. All right, so this next thing I believe is a sugar scrub. There's no label on it. Yes, this is a sugar scrub. And let me see in my paperwork. I'm sure she mentioned it, because every time she sends me samples, she actually gives me the name of what stuff is. This is a blushing rose buttered sugar scrub. Yeah, blushing rose buttered sugar scrub. So that's this here. I do love a sugar scrub, and it smells nice. All right, so the sugar scrub, we had, let me see, the invoice says, the Hey Pumpkin. Oh, these prices were before the sale, I believe. Maybe not. I think they were before the sale. I don't know. But this is Hey Pumpkin. The invoice says $8. Corn-fed. Oh, this was $3.85. This is one of the ones that I think she was trying to push out from her summer, so they were on sale prior to the Labor Day sale. This is $3.85. Corn-fed. We had ice cream, and ice cream was $5.60. Again, it's not ice cream, obviously, it's ice cream. The creepiness. All right, we have Boo Baby. Boo Baby was $7.20. Maybe these were the sale prices. I don't even know. I'm trying to put everything down back to the box. And then just floating around. That one was $4.40. And then this other one, I think the price of this is normally $14, but she sent it as an extra for me. But I think the normal price is $14. So shimmery. I don't feel any of the little, I think this is just strictly bath dust with no embeds. Exciting! All right, guys, that is it from Sweet4Fuel. I'm excited to demo all the items for you. And I will have some previews of her upcoming products soon as well. So be looking out for those. And again, this is Sweet4Fuel's information. And that's it. So I'll talk to you guys on the next one.